go, Dougie.
So we're heading towards Cherna Dam.
Cherna Dam.
Yeah, there's a national park here, so we must stay on the road.
Okay. I've never used a stick before, so I don't know what you're supposed to do with it.
You mean a camera boom?
A camera on a stick, never.
Camera boom.
So we're off our bikes now. Dougie suggested we stop here. I hope he's not going to take me into a lover's cave or something. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That's.
You're going the wrong way. It's this way we're going.
Wow! Go on, Dougie, climb up there then. I'll film you in case you fall over.
Thanks.
If you fall, don't forget to scream. Ah, he's not going to fall. It's made out of granite, that man. I don't know what you can see from up here. Look at that gorge. That was quite nice. Let's see if we can do, you know. Can you see that gorge? I hope the bikes are still there when we get back. Well, mine should be, because I got the key in my pocket. Unless some yokel turns up with a van and a few strong lads to lift it in.
When you think about it, the water's been up there. Simon, the water's been up as high as that.
Up there?
Yeah, that's a water view.
What? Not in our lifetime. Apparently this is bear country. I think that means Dougie's going to take his clothes off.
Are you crossing the road?
You'll film me crossing? Ah, okay.
Simon's acrobatics.
Whoa! What? Simon! Are you scared, Simon?
No.
I'm not scared. Go on, Dougie, your turn. Alright, Dougie. That's it. I'm not childish like Dougie, so I'm not going to do that.
If it was deep enough, you could jump it. If it was deep enough, you could down somewhere. Unfortunately, it's not.
To believe everything I do. I said music is what I've got, baby, and I gotta find some way to make it. Music is what I've got, baby. I want you to come on and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. Na 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 oh yeah. Come on, funky, funky, funky.
Good morning. This is Friday morning. Nice hotel we found last night. Very nice. Dougie is relaxing there in the sun. Supposed to be riding the TET, but maybe we'll go for a swim, and then we'll go for breakfast, and then right over there under the trees you can see the bikes. So more later.
I'm gonna need someone to help me. I'm gonna need somebody's hand. I'm gonna need someone to hold me down. I'm gonna need someone to care. I'm gonna rise and shake my body. I'll start pulling out my hair. I'm gonna cover myself with the ashes of you, and nobody's gonna give a damn. Son of a bitch, give me a drink. One more night, but this can't be me. Son of a bitch, if I drink it clean, I'm gonna drink my life away.
So, me and Dougie. There's Dougie. Soaked. We've just come out of the trees down there. We got caught in the open, and whilst we've got our yellow waterproofs on, underneath we are absolutely soaked.
But we don't care.
And it feels lovely, I have to say. And I think that's where we're staying tonight, up there. Bye for now.
And it's open.
Let's go. both absolutely soaking wet. Before we could put our waterproofs on, we got wet, unfortunately. He wants a picture of the grass. We come round to my house, I got grass in my back garden. Muppet. Oh, where's he going? Oh! He's going in fucking circles. I think he's lost his mind. Wet. Cold.
I'm not cold. Are you cold?
Wet. Cold.
I'm not cold.
Balls are cold.
Definitely not cold.
Dougie says he's not cold.
But I want to move so that I don't get cold.
That's because he's made of granite.
Redhead, mess bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees.
We came down here. Meow. And the track is blocked. Well and truly blocked. Look, there's no way through this. No way at all. Look, you can see the whole mountain seems to have fallen down. Enduro bikes, maybe, if you lifted them. If you went down there somehow and managed to get back up,
Redhead, mess bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood squirt, stop shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company.
how do we get off?
It's impossible because it's a road close.
If we want to go down there though, on the off the road.
Use that way. In the back between the car. Big fucking hole! A big fucking hole!
I think you made it.
This is good.